Hey there, Huskies. It's Rachel Brotman, and I wanted to take a moment to show you how to change your course theme from secondary, which is the default, to elementary. I am logged into my Schoology. I'm going to go into the course that I want to change the setting from secondary view to elementary view. I'm going to open it up. And the first thing that I need to do is come over to course options. I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to select Edit Privacy and Course Settings. Click that. Once I'm on this page, the toggle down here, the drop down for course view settings is at the bottom. It says course theme, and if you click the drop down box, you've got two choices. Secondary, which again is the default view, typically has smaller folders and text that the students see. You can change it to elementary. When you do that, it will change the theme for students only. It does remind you of that. So when you are logged in, you will still view it in a secondary view, but your students will view it in the elementary view. The main difference between the two, the elementary view has it's more image driven, and it's just an easier interface for younger students. Secondary is a little bit smaller icons, smaller font, and it's designed more for the secondary student. So I've changed it to elementary. I'm going to click Save Changes. And now I want to go in as a student just so I can see what they see as a student. So I'm going to go back to courses. I'm going to go back into my course, and I want to change the view that I'm looking, because right now I'm looking at it as the teacher. So I'm looking at it as a secondary view. I'm going to go in, I'm going to add a material real quick, add an assignment. And now that I've changed my view to elementary, there's one change that you're going to see when you are creating assignments. You're going to see that you can add an image to go along with the assignment. So it's going to be like a tile that the student can click on. And if they have certain tiles that they start associating with certain types of assignments, like maybe you have tiles that you've created for math assignments. So all of your math assignments will have that tile. Or maybe you have created a certain tile for homework assignments or for quiz assignments. So they'll start to associate the different pictures with the type of assignment that has been assigned. So you can go in, you can edit and upload an image. A lot of those images are going to be super easy to make inside Canva. So you can create very simple images like this one with different shapes that the students can start associating with assignment types. So I'm going to make a sample assignment, and I'm going to leave it as this image right here. Maybe I'm connecting a Google Drive assignment to it. I'm just going to pick a random document here and attach it. And then I'm going to choose my category and click Create. And when it shows up on my materials page, it's going to look like a secondary view for me. So now it's time to check and see what it looks like for the student. So I'm going to go over to Course Options and choose View Course As. So I choose that, and then I'm going to select a student in my class. So April Chamberlain is a student in my course. I'm going to select her, and now I can view it as April Chamberlain. And when I'm looking at it, I notice immediately my font size is larger. I have icons. It's very visually based, visually driven. So it's just going to be easier for students to navigate if they're at the elementary level. When I'm done viewing it as my student in my course, I can edit this view and go back to my view by clicking the Edit Exit button. It takes me back to my view of the course, and that is how you change the view for your students from a secondary view to an elementary view. If you have any questions about that, you can reach out to me at rachel.brotman@trustfulcityschools.com.